What's up? This is the YEEZY PT-04. They just arrived. They started, okay, today's the 29th, November the 29th, and 10 days ago is when the shipping started, but I didn't get the shipping notification until it was already out for delivery by GoFo. So I just saw these sitting on my front door, and yeah, it's 10 day, no, it was way longer than that. I ordered these on October the 16th. Let me make sure I'm having the right continuity here. All right, so these things started shipping on November the 19th. They arrived today, 29th, so 10-day shipping. But I ordered these on October the 16th. Okay. And yeah, so a good amount of time to get here, but they are here. Let's check these things out. Plastic bag, just like the YEEZY Gap stuff comes in. PT-04 size 1. Any pants that I ever get with YEEZY, I'm going to ensure I always get a size 1. I don't care what style it is, I'm always going size 1. This stuff fits super baggy if you've seen my jogger videos. So I'm size 1 all the way. I'm a 33 and a half, 34 waist in pants, and I usually get a size small in all my joggers with compressed bands on them. And yeah, PT-04 size 1. Let's check this thing out. First thing I'm noticing is this coated cotton canvas, I believe is what it's made out of. PT-04 size 1. Let's look at this tag. PT-04 size 1, 100% cotton, made in China, dry clean only in your R number. Definitely a coated cotton canvas to make it feel like it's a leather-ish material, but they didn't go out of the way to give it that leather look. So if you look at this, it's very smooth. Very smooth. It has like that kind of shimmy to it, like it's aluminum. And the quality of this thing. Just looking at it right now, y'all. Dude, like, what is it with YEEZY? And just having like amazing stitching on all their products, dude. I mean, oh my god, it has rear pockets too. Dude, check this thing out, dude. The stitching is so good. Stitching right there, stitching on the pockets. I may record some B-roll to get a better look at it because I know the lighting sucks right now. Look at the stitching on the loops too, dude. Oh yeah, let's check out the zipper. Or lack of zipper. I believe this is Velcro. Yep, it is Velcro. A long strip of Velcro. Check that out. Dude, I am so sorry. This is why I usually have my B light on, so you can see this a little bit better. But hopefully it focuses up okay. Let's look at the bottom. Yeah, stitched at the bottom. Stitched on the inside. I'm sorry, y'all. Maybe I should just stay behind the camera so you can see the quality of this thing. I'm trying to get the highlights in there. I'll definitely record some B-roll so you can see these better. And then the pocket stitching. Yeah, pocket stitching at the back. Inside of the pocket stitching. And it's all so neat and orderly. It's like, just like I said, it's like Rick Owens' Margiela quality here, y'all. Something I know I'm not going to see a lot of online. Let's go ahead and do these inside out. Just get an idea of the construction. So you're looking at the rear? No, you're looking at the rear. So there's the rear of the pants. And here's the front of the pants. And I mean, even on the inside, I'm looking at the stitching, it looks really good. Really, really good. Dude, like kudos to the team just for putting out quality stuff. I mean, you can say something about the material, of course, but the construction is really good. Construction is really good. And I also have the JC1, if y'all want to get a comparison of the material of the JC1 versus the PT1. PT1 on the left, JC1 on the right. There you go. So you can see what I mean about the texture of the polyurethane on the JC1 and the cotton on the PT1. PT4, right? PT-04. That PT-04, not PT-1. Sorry if I was saying PT-4. Measurements. Like I said, 34 waist. I got a size 1. Let's go ahead and get our length. Where is my measuring tape? There you are. All right, length. Length is 42 inches in length. Approximately 42 inches in length. Inseam is 31.5 inches on the inseam. Yeah, about 31.5, maybe 31 and 3/4, so 31.5 inches on the inseam. Width, just a flat width is about 15.5 inches, maybe more. Hold on, let me stretch it out. 16 1/4 inches flat width, not circumference. I don't have my other measuring tape. I can't find it. Oh, there it is. I found it. Okay, never mind. Here it is. Okay. All right, then let's go ahead and try this on. I've been looking for this thing everywhere. All right, I'm going to try this on right now. All right, size 1. Not JC, PT-04. It's tight. You can probably tell. Hold on, let me turn around. This is a change. Oh man, they fit so high. Okay, they're on, but yeah, they're tight. That Velcro does not play around. Okay, this is what I thought. I'm super surprised that it's fitting tight. Hold on, let me turn around so I'll make this video appropriate. And am I not wearing them high enough? Okay, when I pull them up more, when I pull them up a ton, okay. I can breathe. I just had to pull them up, like higher than I've had to pull up any pants. I'm so used to wearing pants that are like sagged down like right on my bum area, but these I had to pull them up in order for that Velcro to stay. So that is a huge departure from what I'm used to. But now that they are on, I mean, here's a better look, y'all. They are on. The legs, I'm happy with the legs. I mean, I got some pretty monstrous calves, but I'm kind of happy with the legs. This is probably exactly a 33, maybe. Let's check. It's gonna be hard for me to do this. Hold on, gotta do it from behind. Probably a 33 exact on the waist, but that's only after you pull it up, like almost to your abdomen. All right, where are we at? Right there. 35.5 is where I'm at, but it's probably more of a 35, 34 and 3/4, but 35.5 waist. But it does not play around. It's like you gotta pull these things up, or else you're likely not gonna get them on. You're probably gonna rip the Velcro right off if you try to wear these without pulling them up, like to the bottom of your stomach, basically. But now that they are on, they have a decent amount of give. That cotton material lets your legs slide around very nicely. Is it skate material? Maybe. I could probably skate with these. It's going to take some getting used to, but I could probably skateboard with these things on and not have too much problem. There is... Oh yeah, there's a little bit of stretch there. I wouldn't say it's like nylon or polyester levels of stretch, but there is some stretch there. And they look pretty damn nice, honestly. Let's put on the YEEZY boots. I'm not going to tie them up, but let's just put them on. YEEZY 500 high tactical boots. Make sure I'm still recording. There we go. There they are with the YEEZY boots on. Looks like you could tuck them in if you want to. I mean, lengthwise, they're perfect. Perfect lengthwise for like a slightly baggy, slightly straight cut kind of look. Not too bad. Like, I honestly, I like these. Getting them on was a little bit weird, but now that they're on, they do feel very nice and fitted. I'll pull out the jacket a little bit more so you can see. And again, sorry I don't have my B-light. I'll do some B-roll later. Get some more space. I might wear these out through the rest of the day, y'all. I might wear these to the reunion I got today, maybe. Because this is not a bad look. I mean, they do look from a distance like more leather pants. Now, if I want to pull them down now that I got them on, I can't. I can't really pull these things down. They're on pretty damn snug. Am I happy with these? I'm really happy with these. Do I recommend a size 1? If you like wearing your pants lower on your waist, and you are anywhere around a 34, 33 waist, do not get a size 1. Definitely go for a size 2 or 3. If you are super skinny, and I mean you don't eat, you're the skinniest person in the world, or you're a female, go for a size 1. And you'll probably have a nice baggy jean. But yeah, if you are anywhere near like more muscular, athletic, or you're thick boned, don't even think about getting a size 1. And maybe don't even get a size 2. But yeah, so size 2 or 3 is going to be your route. But I'm in love with these now that I got them on. I was going to put on the BT1 with these, but I don't need to because these are not going anywhere. They are not going anywhere at all. These are locked in onto my waist, I tell you what. But do I still have room to access the pockets? Oh man, the pockets, they sit so high on your waist. Yeah, so the pockets are not the most accessible at my dimensions. Interesting how the pockets are that high. What about the rear pockets? Rear pockets are way better. I can actually access the rear pockets no problem. So yeah, if you're even my build, maybe go with the size 2 just to be safe. If you are thick bone or a little bit more heavier set, size 3 all of the way. Don't even have a second thought about it, just go with the size 3. If you like a tighter fit and you're about 34, 33 waist, size 1 will be okay, but you're not gonna be able to access your front pockets and you gotta pull it up quite a bit. I mean, I'm sure this stuff may stretch over time, maybe, but I'm definitely not putting them through the washer anytime soon. No way. Lengthwise, perfect for my build. I'm about 5'8", so this is the length that you get with them, and I think the length is perfect. These are cool. I like them. I really do like these. Dude, not bad. I may actually be able to skate in these too. These are so interesting. I'll try to get some B-roll with me walking around and stuff like that, but okay, because I know everyone's going to ask. Here are the oh my god. Here are the PT-04 size 1 with the size 2 YEEZY JC1. So if you're looking for that full pleather look, look no further. Now, I don't have the right hat. I'm in a rush to make this video, kind of. So not the preferred hat. I would like to wear my black hat with this, but here y'all go. Chai, you are right in the way, dude. Man. I'll be honest, y'all. After wearing this just for like recording B-roll for the video, I should make this part of the 24-hour review, honestly, but after just wearing these pants and just like running around with them, like I can play with my dog in these. The waist fit's a bit tight, but I mean, after you pull it up, it's okay. Might stretch out a bit. Sorry if you hurt my stomach growl there. I can play with my dog in these. I can run in these. I can probably skate in these too. These are going to be great skate pants too. I mean, I got the other ones coming in too that aren't like the coated look, but... And with the YEEZY 500 high tactical boot, these pants go so hard. I don't usually toot my own horn all the time, y'all, but these pants go crazy with these boots. And with this jacket, like, come on. Like, what? Like, I think Ye is onto something, Chai. Oh my goodness, dude. I should wear this to the reunion tonight. I think I'm pretty sold on wearing this to the reunion tonight. I may wear this jacket as well. So, yeah. I leave all my other comments. All the other comments stay true to the main clip. But dude, yeah, we're gonna have to make styling video, 24-hour video with these. I got the BT1 right here. I'm not even thinking about using the BT1 with these pants. Maybe if I got a size 2 or 3, maybe. Okay. Yeah, this is a good this is a good collection, y'all. Season 10 is a pretty insane collection. Now that I think about it, it's a pretty insane collection. Ah, what an insane collection, dude! What an insane collection! What have I done? $1,000 later, this collection alone I've spent on all the clothing, and y'all have paid for it all because y'all are incredible. But I encourage people to make their own reviews because, first of all, you're helping out a ton of people. There's not a lot of references online. And plus, if your videos get a bunch of views, then it can help offset the cost of buying a whole bunch of stuff from that site. So, I mean, I'm just being honest. Just being honest, y'all. But I'm happy that y'all enjoy these. I really am. It's a blessing. Get to wear cool clothing, help people get the info that they need, and I feel really damn good doing it. Yeah, first impressions, I'll try to do a 24-hour review of this, and then the 1 week and all those other timely videos, but I appreciate y'all watching these as always. I hope this was informative in some way, as much as I try to make them be. I think Chai approves of them as well. And yeah, thank you all for watching as always. Got some new stuff coming in. Super exciting. And yeah, more soon.